Hi guys, it's me again. Anyways, those people are still talking outside and they're still on my lawn. And I need your help, but we're gonna go sneak outside. Boy, I'm gonna sneak. Now, we have backup from TG. If I properly, if someone tries to kidnap my team, Shepherd, Great Team attacks. Okay, gotta get my socks on and stuff. Gotta change out these clothes. Do some Okay, I'm gonna change. Whoops. And thank you for the 58 views, cause I really like that. Guys, do not look at me. I'm fully naked. Oh my gosh. There's my hairbrush. Ouch, that hurt. Midday Matt Smith, you're not a loser, okay? You are a kid. You are like a cool kid, just to let you know. Not you know. Oh, left out. You don't deserve to be left out like that. I mean, like, who does that? Who doesn't like Midday Matt Smith videos is gonna get punished something. Because they should be built for it. God damn it. Where the fuck is my freaking shirt? Shit. I have this fucking God, please. Going out there in a black dress. No, I'm like serious. I'm in like brow trip. Okay. Okay, where the fuck is my clothes going? Shit. Ugh. Fuck me. Okay, promise. Guys, do not look. Damn. Where the fuck is my pants? There they are. Okay. Oh my god, this feels so itchy. Sorry, guys. Can't deal with that. Can't deal with an itchy shirt. Sorry that this is taking too long. Ow. Okay, that got stuck on my earring right there. Sorry that this is taking so long, guys. I'm so sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. once I get done. God damn. How many fucking shirts that do I have? God damn. And I want my fucking pants. God. All I have is barely even school clothes, and I have a bunch of dresses that I barely wear. Temporary. What the fuck is this doing in my fucking room? Gosh damn. I want to wear this. Sorry guys, I have to change again. I'm just a perfectionist at what I wear, you know. I should have got changed before I did this. How dumb of me. I'm so sorry. I just gotta get changed to something. And this shirt will do the job. Ooh, nice. I like that. Ooh, I like that. Got that jumpy style. Got that jumpy style. Yeah, I got that. God, William, it stinks in here. Oh yeah, and after this, I gotta show you something disgusting. And you know what? You want to know? I'll just talk about that in the bathroom. My bathroom. I meant my bathroom. Nobody else's. Mine. Mine. Ouch. That hurt. Hit a comment down below if you like my outfit or not. I got a bunch of clothes, guys. Even old clothes from my old house. Okay, guys, I will reveal it in a second. Just gotta get socks on and stuff. Where's my fucking socks? I just said it cursed it out loud. Sorry, guys. I'm just, ow. Socks, stinky socks are falling on me. Where in the fucking shit? Where did my, okay, great, now I say that and it just appeared. Okay, wow. Thank you. Maybe I'm too feisty. Oh. Sorry, guys. Sorry. And then it's going to take a hard time getting my new shoes on. Dang. Or should I just get my high heel boots? I'm just going to get my high heel. Nah, because they got peed on. Ew. When you have cats, you have to train them right. We got kittens, and then we didn't train them right. God damn it. But I have a mansion, bro. You know, if you know Dr. AJ out there, that's my uncle. And guess what? He has a mansion that I could stay the night at. And let me get my shoes on real quick. Look at that, go. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah. Takes really muscles to get these shoes on really good. These are Michael Kors shoes. And I got them from Kohl's, just to let you know if you want to have some shoes like these. And I just wasted fucking time. What the fuck? Sorry, guys. I'm just freaking mad at myself right now. Ow, did you hear that? Did you hear my ankle pop? It was just hurting earlier. Oh my gosh, now it hurts worse. Oh, God damn it. I'm going outside with no permission. Okay, guys. Look at those. Okay, here's my outfit. Ready? You got the hoodie, and it's perfect. And look at that. And just one thing. What? What? Okay. Look what I had. Hamburger and Help for dinner. Oh yeah, I would show you that thing, but I'm gonna show you it later. Or DG. Where did DG go? DG? Oh, hell nah. I'm gonna be in big ass trouble. Shit. I don't think it's safe to go outside. I just heard a gunshot out there. I don't think it's safe to go outside. Guys, I'm gonna play darts. God damn it. And it's hard having a dad. Oh wait, it's hard having no dad. Let me make the throw. That fell. I'm gonna move out of the way. Wow, guys. Here's the shot. And there's the car. There's my black kitty Missy. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about something like, and I had nothing to do, and I'm all up by myself. You know why I'm afraid of going to sleep? It's because I had these nightmares. Really bad nightmares. You guys don't even want to know. But anyways, what the fuck is going on here? We have a community and love, boy and boy. Gang. Oh, hell no. I'm out of here. I'm getting out of here. What was that, guys? And there's nothing outside. What's going on there? It's torture. That's child abuse. That is child abuse. Poor Will. Anyways. I'm going to show you it. Panda, who pooped on this carpet? Some cat, I don't know. Look at that, that's disgusting. You're supposed to be there, not there. Oh my gosh. What's wrong? Oh my god. Look at me. Look at me. Look at. Oh my gosh, my hair is going everywhere. Look, I got a little hair trim. My hair. Do you like my hair? Ooh, look at that curl right there. Like, look. My hair. Okay. So, guys, please get me a present for my birthday. Because my birthday is tomorrow. And I need you guys to get me some presents. And, guys, get me anything you guys could afford, like, literally. But anyways, I'll tell you where my house is really quick. 402 North Dunlap, off of English by Pioneer Park School. And I go to Pioneer Park. Anyways, I'm just telling you guys so that, you know. get in touch with Daniel Smith and please leave a comment down below. I was gonna go outside and we couldn't. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please leave a like down below.